All right, guys, another deal here. Just the deals don't stop here. I can't remember if Joe the Tool Guy posted this or somebody else posted this. I did see this in the deals, daily deals Facebook group. I did see this, but big shout out to all you guys that have been posting deals left and right. Haven't it hasn't stopped. So, anyways, we got the Ryobi One Plus. Just like I said in my previous video, this is a great tool kit for the house, for even for the professional that uses them occasionally. These are brushless tools. These are HP tools, guys. Ryobi One Plus HP 18 volt cordless compact half an inch real driver impact driver with two 1.5 amp hour batteries. Just like I said before, remember, guys, you choose the store. You go under the little Home Depot icon and you select you're shopping at the Newhall store. So you're gonna put that Newhall store, the store number 1055. It's gonna get this price down to 129, down from 179. It's gonna be down to 129. It is a special buy, I believe. So I don't know if the stores are not. Just do it. See if you're gonna get that price. You're gonna select the free battery right there where it says free gift. You're gonna select the free battery. Obviously, you're gonna go to the cart and check out. See what the. Let's see here. It's not letting me go to the cart. Oh, there. Okay. I guess we are. All right, guys. I got a whole bunch of stuff here. Sorry, guys. That's a really good deal too for $93. Make sure you guys check out my other video. Where is it at? All right. So you're gonna get the battery for the 1.5 amp hour battery for $36. If you don't want the battery, you can return it, get that credit. Guys, you're gonna get this deal, this brushless tools. These are newer tools. Remember, guys, HP tools with two batteries, charger, and a bag. $92.98. Guys, it's a really good deal. Anyways, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video.